Mom. This is my brother, Timothy. Okay, do your thing.
Okay, this is Stephen as Black Adam. We have Luke as Beast Boy. We have Millie as Catwoman. We have Henry as Green Arrow. We have Thomas as Batman.
Eddie has a mean face on.
We have Percy as Robin.
As Smiley.
We have Charlie, that's the Riddler. And we have Emily, that is Wonder Woman.
And now we have to get the same amount. So let's get 4. Why don't we both get 4? Is that how much I just have?
All right, Landon.
Bye for now. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.
And leave a like.